ifconfig command does not exist in this system. So if I type ifconfig, it says the program ifconfig is currently not installed. So if you want to install, you can run this command sudo apt install net tools. So before running this command, we should run this command sudo apt update. First run this command. So this will update the repository. So after that, you can run the command sudo apt install net-tools. Then run this command. Okay, installation completed. Now let me check which ifconfig. Now you can see the ifconfig binary. We can also execute the command C. So this way we can install ifconfig command in Ubuntu. So just run this command sudo apt install net-tools. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video.